Hey guys, it's Melissa Inez. I've been gone for a little while, had some mishaps with camera equipment, so I decided to shoot a video on my iPad. So here we go. Excuse my face. I just came from an event earlier today and I just took off all my makeup and then I thought, I got something in the mail and I wanted to shoot a video and I took my makeup off. So, oh well, you guys can see me all natural nails and everything. I know, it's weird. But wanted to try something new on my channel. I actually recently subscribed to Boxycharm. I think this is my second month. So I got August's box, which wasn't great, but I'm really excited about September's box. So I decided to go ahead and shoot a video of me just unboxing. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You get 4 to 5 items, full-size items each month. They're usually luxury beauty products, makeup, sometimes skincare, brushes, things like that. It's $21 a month for the box, and usually the value is well over $100, so it's definitely worth it. So this is what it looks like. It just came in the mail. I just got it probably like 10 minutes ago, so I was so excited. But anywho, I will go ahead and show you guys what's in here. So in each of the boxes, you get a card that tells you the theme for the month, lists the different products, the prices, and then sometimes on the back it has different coupons and offers and things like that. So the theme for this month's box is Wildflower. It's really cute. And then it lists the different items here that I received in my month's box. And just so you guys know, I got version number 3. Right, so the very first item in my box is Laura Geller blush. It's Baked Blush and Brighten, and it's in the color Tropic Hues. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Let's swatch it for you guys really quick. And it's pretty pigmented. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, which would be nice. Sometimes I don't know about shimmery blush all the time, but I'm really excited about this. And that retails for $28. The second product I have here is from Butter London. It is called Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Let's check this out. I've never had a roll-on liner before. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Look how I don't know if you guys can see that. The inside of the container, it's interesting, and it's actually like a roller. So let's see how this works. Oh, okay. So it's really precise, and it's pretty black. It kind of looks a little shiny now. I'm gonna let it dry down to see if it dries down matte, because I don't really like shiny black liners. Matte usually is the way to go, but what I really like about this is that it's got like a grip, so I think it would be a lot easier with the grip to apply your liner. So we'll see about that. The third product I got is Lorac Los Angeles Pro Liquid Lipstick, and I got mine in the color Sienna. I have seen a couple of the Boxycharm unboxing videos, and the colors I've seen, ooh, the colors that I've seen are really like darker vampy colors, so this one is beautiful. Okay, let me swatch her just so you guys can see. Ooh, that's a nice fall color. So it's really pretty. Excuse me, my child was running behind me. It's a really pretty fall color. It's kind of giving me like sienna, actually, like a burnt sienna crayon. So really pretty. I think that would go with a lot of things. So I'm excited about this. Really excited to get this color. So thank you, Boxycharm. The fourth thing I got would be, looks like 3 brushes from Alamar Cosmetics. So I know in the June box there was a palette by Alamar, and I was kind of sad that I didn't get that one. I didn't subscribe until last month, so maybe next time. But let me take these out. So these are really cute. Like, I love the color, like the lime green with like the coppery kind of. Looks like you've got a blending brush. Actually really soft, very flexible, which I like, so I think this will be really good. I'll have to try this out because like a packing brush, so you can really pack the color on. And then more of like a precise brush. I think I would use this for maybe stamping shadow on under my lower lash lines. I think it's really cool. Oh, I just noticed I have a little bit of lipstick left on my lip. Don't judge me, guys. Alright, so these seem pretty cool. Oh, and I guess I didn't tell you. So let me go back. The retail value of the Butter London Stroke Wow roll-on liner is $19. And then the Lorac, is it Lorac? I don't know, Pro Liquid Lipstick retails for $19 as well. So the brushes retail for $18. I'm really excited about these. So I love getting brushes because sometimes you just don't want to buy brushes, and a lot of the time you have to buy them individually or in a pack, and then sometimes you don't get the ones you need or you want if you buy them like in a big like group of brushes. So I'm pretty excited to get those. And lastly, got a palette. Every Boxycharm comes with a palette. So this one is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. So this is really cute. Like when I was looking at the pictures of the palettes on like the Boxycharm like previews and sneak peeks, it looked a lot smaller. So I'm surprised, like just to kind of give you guys a reference, it's like as big as my hand. So pretty excited about this. Let me check it out. Ooh, okay. So it's got a nice mirror up top, and these pans are actually a lot bigger than I thought that they would be. Okay. They're kind of giving me like the same size as the like Urban Decay palette. So it's pretty cool. Looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes. I think you can do some great smoky eyes with this. I did swatch this one earlier just to kind of play with it, but what I did swatch, the metallics are super creamy. I haven't swatched any of the mattes yet, but I'm really excited to try this out. And this one retails for $35, which is pretty awesome. I think I'll get some good use out of this. So that was my Boxycharm, excuse me, for the month of September. And adding all of the items up, looks like the total value for the box this month was $119, which is awesome because I only paid $21. So I'm happy with it. So let me know what you guys think about what you guys got in your Boxycharm, if you did get Boxycharm, if it would be something that you guys would like to try out, and let me know if you guys want me to do a try on of any of these products. As always, please feel free to subscribe to my channel below, comment, give my video a big thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!